Okay, here we go. Here we go. How do I do this? Come on, baby.
Mr. McQueen.
Cruz, thank you for the old man training, as crazy as it was. But I'm warmed up enough, and now I need you to launch this thing.
Mr. McQueen, wait until you can handle it, please. There are no shortcuts.
Okay, we'll just see about that.
All right, my star racer is on the simulator.
Why, yes, I am.
Well, let's see you take it out for a spin.
Right away, Mr. Sterling. Owner of the company.
Okay, have fun.
This is what I'm talking about. Whoa, didn't know about those.
Prepare to race.
Wait, what did it say? Is it
The
talking?
green flag is
I
out.
don't see the flag. What do I do?
Go.
Go?
Go.
Oh, that's sensitive. Ah, ah,
You
ah!
have hit a wall.
Shouldn't be this hard, should it?
You have
Ah!
hit a wall.
You're fighting the simulator. Just race like you always do.
You have hit a wall.
There can't be this many walls on a regular track.
You have been passed by Jackson Storm.
Wait, Storm's in here?
For motivation. Storm races at 2:07. Pick it up, Mr. McQueen.
I'm trying.
You have hit a wall.
Mr. McQueen, come down from there and we'll work you up to this.
I am fine, Cruz. I can do it, okay? Whoa, 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 whoa!
You have jumped a barrier.
Ah, sorry.
You have made 2 vehicles. You have destroyed a drinking fountain. You have disabled an ambulance. You are on fire. Danger. Danger. You are going the wrong way.
Ah, look out, look out! Turn it off, turn it off! Get these things off of me! Ah!
You have crashed. You have crashed.
Are you all right?
You have crashed.
I have crashed.
It's not easy for him. Relax. Give him another chance. I will talk to him. I know he's a problem.
Whoa!
You're all washed up, McQueen.
I'm sorry, what?
Said floor's all washed up and clean.
Oh, right.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Hey, Lightning, come on in. Got something to show you. You ready?
For what? Wow.
You are about to become the biggest brand in racing. We are talking saturation on all continents for every demographic. Movie deals, infomercials, product endorsements.
Mud flaps?
Of course, we'll be rich beyond belief. You think you're famous now?
I thought you'd be mad about the simulator. I mean, this is all great, Mr. Sterling, I guess, but I don't know. I never really thought of myself as a brand.
Oh, nor do I. I'm a fan, maybe your most avid. I think of this as your legacy.
It sounds like something that happens after you're done racing. Mr. Sterling, what is this about?
Look, Lightning, I'm not gonna race you.
What? What do you mean not race me?
Hold on.
I'm not going to Florida?
Lightning,